Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be doing two different types of flower arrangements. One is just going to be used out of this Target basket, and then I am just going to add a bunch of Dollar Tree fall flowers that I have left over. And I think this turned out really cute. I love the little flowers with the pine cones in them. I think those are so cute. And these like mini mums, I have used these in so many DIYs that I probably wish I would have bought just a few more.
When I'm down, you pick me up. You and me, we shiny dust, and we won't ever get enough. They don't know, they don't know. In your eyes are put.
And then to finish this off, I'm just going to be using Spanish moss. I also purchased this from the Dollar Tree. I think this is the best way to go to buy Spanish moss, is just to purchase it from the Dollar Tree. I think it is way cheaper than anywhere else. But I thought this just kind of looked really good, and it covered all the foam. And this was just so simple and easy to use. And you guys, seriously, I am going to miss when we have to start putting up our fall decor, because mine is staying up till at least December 1st.
My trust. Baby, you're my.
So this next one, you're just going to need some pine cones. I found these just at Scarlett's school. Some Spanish moss. I've had this little galvanized bucket from Walmart for a couple years, and then I just ended up using some boxwood greenery. And then I am just going to start painting all these pine cones. I'm just painting the bottoms of them because I'm going to turn them into flowers. So I just used some yellow and then orange and then some red. And I just used the apple bear, like the paint that's 50 cents. I thought this was, I love how this turned out. I was so excited for the start. I really thought that the pine cones are going to be kind of tricky to paint, but they really weren't. They just took a really long time to dry. So I just let them dry overnight.
All-time favorite drug. Let them keep talking about us, 'cause they don't know, won't never know. When the rain hits hard on my window, when the night's too dark, you're my hero. When our troubles come, we can lay low. Say it like we're never gonna leave. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. We gon' ride into the sunset, just you and me. We gon' sing along to our songs at the top of our lungs. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. The movies, the movies. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. The movies, the movies. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. Let's go get this unlock, and they can't ever make us stop it. Come take my hand, get on this rocket.
And then once the pine cones are dry, I'm just going to take some floral wire and wrap them around the bottoms. I use this really thick floral wire. I had this from the Dollar Tree. I don't even know what made me buy it a really long time ago, but I'm glad I had it, because you need the really thick stuff, because the skinnier or like thinner stuff is just going to flop over, because I also have that as well. But I thought this was such an easy DIY, and it was so inexpensive to make.
They don't know, we'll never know.
So even if you don't have one of these galvanized buckets, just try to find anything around your house, or even from the Dollar Tree. You can always paint it. But I just started doing this boxwood greenery, and then I had all these like white flowers that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, of course, left over, and I thought that I was going to want the white flowers, so I started cutting them and moving them around. But anyways, I just ended up not using them, and I just used this boxwood. I actually got these little greeneries from Amazon. These are such a nice quality, and I really like this. But then I'm just going to add all these pine cones in, and I thought this was just really simple, and I just really like this. I was so happy that I finally did this. I found this idea on Pinterest. If I can find it, I will leave the link. I think I just seen like a bunch of pictures. There wasn't like links on how to make this. So I was really winging this for a while. And then this is like my really thin floral wire. And I was just kind of wrapping it around my finger just so I could stick these little wire things right inside the bucket as well. And then Presley was here helping me. So you're going to see her leg and her arm. She didn't want to move, and I really didn't care. So she thought she was helping. So she totally was. But that is it, you guys, for my video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this short and simple and really cute flower decor. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!